आयज जमिल्ले आमचे यूथ काँग्रेसीचे मेंबर्स, कोर्तालीम काँग्रेस ब्लॉकाचे मेंबर्स, आमचो NSUI स्टेट जनरल सेक्रेटरी बाब शेन रिबेलो, यूथ काँग्रेसीचो नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट बाब रिनाल्डो रोजारियो आनी हांव महेश नाडार, गोंय प्रदेश युवा काँग्रेसीचो कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार करता। आयज आमी बिट्स पिलानीचे भायर आसा आनी खूब दुख्ख दिसता की 2 दीस पयलीं 5वो इन्सिडंट जाला ह्या कॅम्पसी भितर आनी गेले ते 6 म्हयन्यान हो 5वो इन्सिडंट। सो एवरेज पळोवपाक गेल्यार प्रत्येक म्हयन्यान एक तरी जाताच। खूब दूख दिसता जेन्ना आमी तांचे आवय बापायचे चिंतता, कित्याक ते आपले भुरग्यांक शिकपाक धाडटा विथ एन अंडरस्टँडींग की बाबा ते कॉलेजीन जेन्ना ग्रॅज्युएट जातले तांकां डिग्री मेळटली, तांकां बरे कंपनीन जॉब मेळटली, तांचो करियर सेक्यूर जातलो। पूण जेन्ना घराचे इतले पयस येवन असले इन्सिडंट जाता, दे आर ब्रोकन। सो वी कंप्लीटली एम्पथायज विथ द फॅमिलीज एंड वी स्टँड विथ देम इन सॉलिडॅरिटी। आनी हे सांगून आमी आयज जे हांगा उपस्थित आसा, आमची 5 मागणी आसा। आमचो फर्स्ट डिमांड जो आसा तो जावन आसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन। आतां म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्रीन काल एक स्टेटमेंट काडला की ते इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू केला। सो खंय ना खंय एक सेटअप चालू जाला फॉर एन इन्वेस्टिगेशन, बरी गजाल। पूण आमी मागता हो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो जाता तो एक ट्रान्सपेरंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावचो म्हूण आमी मागणी करता। कित्याक पयलींचे 4 इन्सिडंटान सुद्दां ते सेम सांगताले की ते इन्वेस्टिगेशन केला, चालू आहा आनी आजुनूय चालू आहा। They have not been able to find the cause of death. They are not able to find who's responsible, what is the accountability. So आमी मागता की this speeds up. There is an outcome की कितें जाला and it has to be published and it has to go to every level, be it the faculty level, administration level. सगळ्यांक कळपाक जाय की what is the problem आनी खंय लूप होल्स खंय आहा तो। दुसरो आमी अकाउंटेबिलिटी डिमांड करता। जेन्ना 5 इन्सिडंट जाता लास्ट 6 म्हयन्यान, डेफिनेटली मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटेबल आसा आनी मॅनेजमेंटा बरोबर गव्हर्मेंटूय इक्वली अकाउंटेबल आसा। पयलीं हांव येता मॅनेजमेंटाचेर। जेन्ना 5 इन्सिडंट जाता सो इट मिन्स खंय ना खंय हो एनवायरमेंट सेफ ना आनी जेन्ना एनवायरमेंट सेफ ना तेन्ना हो मॅनेजमेंटान कितें म्हूण स्टेप्स घेतलेले, कितें म्हूण इनिशिएटिव्स घेतलेले टू सेक्युअर द कॅम्पस लायफ ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स। म्हाका दिसता हो इन्सिडंटान हो जो भुरगो हू पास्ड अवे रिसंटली इन अ वेरी ट्रॅजिक इन्सिडंट, ही वॉज समवेअर नॉट, ही वॉज डिप्रेस्ड एज पर द रिपोर्ट्स आनी ताका हाडलेलो फ्रॉम अ डिफरंट स्टेट। सो जेन्ना मॅनेजमेंटाक खबर आशिल्लें की देर इज अ पर्टिक्युलर स्टुडंट हू इज नॉट क्वायट नॉर्मल एंड ही स्लायटली डिप्रेस्ड, दे शूड हॅव मॉनिटर्ड हिम थ्रू आउट। ते थंय फेल जालें। प्रत्येक 4 इन्सिडंटात सेम गजाल्यो आशिल्ल्यो खंय ना खंय, पूण मॅनेजमेंटान अकाउंटेबल आजून घेवना। अर्ली वॉर्निंग जे आशिल्ले तांच्यांनी इग्नोर केलो, निग्लेक्ट केलो। सो लापरवाही जाला फ्रॉम द मॅनेजमेंट आनी आजुनूय तांच्यांनी कांयच स्ट्रॉंग इनिशिएटीव घेवना। दुसरें म्हणटा आमी वॉट आर द मेजर्स। जेन्ना तुमी म्हणटा तुमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता, तुमी अवेअर ऑफ द मेंटल सिनारियोज ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स, तुमी कितें म्हूण मेजर्स घेतला? तुमी कांयच मेजर्स घेवना अशें आमकां दिसता। वी वील कम टू दॅट लेटर ऑन। सेकंडली गव्हर्मेंटाक कित्याक 4 इन्सिडंट्स हॅव हॅपन्ड, गव्हर्मेंट इज शन अबाउट इट, सायलंट अबाउट इट। वॉट टायम सायलन्स रावपाचो न्हू, कित्याक गोंयान बिट्स पिलानी इज नॉट द ओनली कॉलेज वेर पीपल फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट्स कम एंड स्टडी। आमचे गोंयान गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसा, विच इज वन ऑफ द फायनेस्ट कॉलेजीस इन इंडिया आनी ऑल ओवर इंडिया भुरगे हांगा शिकपाक येता। गोवा डेंटल कॉलेज आसा, गोवा इंजिनियरींग कॉलेज आसा, पूण असले इन्सिडंट्स केन्ना जावना पयलीं। सो देर इज एन आउटबर्स्ट ऑफ क्रायम्स, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हॅज कोलॅप्स्ड। फ्यू वीक्स बॅक म्हाका दिसता सांकवाळ ह्या एरियान एक स्विगी जो सप्लाय करतालो फूड, थंय तांकां ड्रग्स मेळ्ळे। ओके, आनी हे सगळ्यांक खबर आहा, इट इज नॉट अ वेरी it's not a rocket science and it is nothing secretive issue. Drugs is open everywhere. सो जेन्ना थंय ड्रग्स इजिली अवेलेबल जाल्लो गव्हर्मेंटान कितें म्हूण इनिशिएटीव घेतलो फॉर द सराउंडींग एरियाज बिकॉज कॅम्पस इज जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर यू ऑल जस्ट गो अक्रॉस द हायवे तेवटेन बिर्ला एरियान खुबशे वायन शॉप्स आसा जेन्ना आमी होलसेल वायन शॉप्स म्हणटा तेन्ना आर दे अलाउड टू हॅव ऑर कंज्यूम अल्कोहॉल in that particular premises? They are not allowed. They have to take it and go. And why it has to happen within the periphery of an educational institution? So governmentan एक चौकशी करपा आशिल्ले कितले वाइन शॉप्स लीगल आसा कितले इल्लीगल आसा आणि how can they consume alcohol in a wholesale premises. Secondly, when they can easily go there and consume alcohol, it is obvious when they also caught a guy with Swiggy who was carrying drugs, it is easily accessible to them. So government has again proved that law and order has collapsed and it's further collapsing. Third, I म्हणता mental health emergency. बिट्स बिलांनी मॅनेजमेंटान मेंटल हेल्थ इमर्जन्सीक लागून कितें म्हणून स्टेप्स घेतलेलो. डू दे हॅव अ 24-hour helpline or an on-campus counseling that's happening? We do not know. As per sources, they say there is a particular policy or something which calls empowering, wherein they can go and discuss their issues. But it is only on paper and I don't think so it's actively implemented. Now what is the reason behind it? The management has to see to it. And when we talk about on-campus counseling, I think they have to recruit professionals who are mentally trained and they part-time employees are allowed करचो न्हू. They should have it 24/7 in campus, 24 hours on their payroll. We talk about regulations, safety measures of the campus. I want to understand the BITS Pilani management. How are they ensuring, because there are thousands of students studying inside, their family have sent them with a dream of their children securing a degree, securing their future. So what are the safety measures? Is there any frisking done? Because I also, it can be true, it can be false. The police have to investigate into it. The student who passed away recently also consumed some tablets. Now, if these tablets were consumed, what tablets were they? We have to understand that also. And how did that enter the premises? So was there a frisking done? Swiggies are going in, so now Swiggies can carry drugs also. Are they being checked? How are these being made available? म्हाका दिसता ते safety measures एक जावं जाय, एक safety audit जावपाक जाय, आणि वो safety audit, तांचो mental audit जो आसा, एक जावपाक जाय within the management through an external body. And they have to act immediately. The government has to act immediately by shutting all the illegal activities happening all around this place. कित्याक म्हणून ते illegal activities चालू आहा? कित्याक म्हणून तो wholesale wine shop चालू आहा? कोणाचो पावर आहा? आमचो लोकल आमदार तुका परत विचारता हांव. एवरी टायम जेन्ना मिडियाक एड्रेस करता तुका विचारता, तूं वयतालो, तूं गेला बीजेपीन डेव्हलपमेंटाक हाडपाक लागून तूं गेल्लो कोर्तालीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. आतां हो बिट्स पिलानी जो आसा तो आमचो गांवान आसा आनी इट इज कॉजिंग अ बॅड रेप्युटेशन टू अस. तूं कितें म्हण तूं एक तरी आयला हांगा अप्रोच केला, तुवें कितें तुवें एड्रेस केला इश्यूज, कितें म्हूण केला तुवें? देर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इश्यूज. प्रत्येक इश्यूक तूं फक्त सायलेंट आसता. तूं कितें म्हूण करता म्हाका कांयच खबर ना. यू हॅव टू ऑल्सो ॲक्ट, टेक इट अप टू द गव्हर्मेंट. दे इंटरवीन इन टू दीस. वी कॅन नॉट हॅव मोर डेथ्स अँड मोर लॉसेस हियर. देर हॅज टू बी अ सर्टन स्टॉपेज. वी कॅन नॉट जस्ट गो ऑन अँड ऑन दिस वे फॉर नो रिजन. सो हांव मागता की हे सगळें जावचें बेगीनचे बेगीन. आणि हांव मागता मुख्यमंत्री, एड्युकेशनल डिपार्टमेंट इज ऑल्सो अंडर यू, आय बिलीव. सो यू ऑल्सो नीड टू इंटरवीन इन टू दिस, because this can be a private deemed university, but it is an institution, education institution within your jurisdiction, that's Goa, and you need to step in and see what is the issues and what are the measures that you can take and who is responsible and how can you safeguard the lives of students here. आता हांव मागता NSUI चो बाप शेन रिबेलो एक दोन उतर तुवें सांगचें.
To say that the students are the workforce of the country, they are the future of the country. And when such incidents take place, this is disheartening not only for Goa but for India in the whole. In 1 year, in less than 1 year, 5 deaths, and that also of young students, within the age gap of 20. So there's something definitely wrong. Nobody can deny that. Even a child will understand that within 1 year, 5 young people die, meaning there is something definitely wrong. How much ever the management may want to, dilute the matter, it will not get diluted. Today, India Today has posted about it. CM has taken cognizance about it. Definitely, there is some issue there. Now, if our agitation has reached any student, I want to sincerely pass a message to them that please come out and tell the truth what has happened. Because only you all know the truth. There is something wrong and you all know it. So please come out and tell. Don't get scared, because your silence now will mean it will cost another innocent person's life. So if it is reaching them, please come out and talk. Don't worry, entire Goa is watching you all. Nothing wrong will happen to you all. Because everyone can talk and go, but what those parents have lost, no one can compensate that. So my request to them, please come out and please be open and tell what is wrong, what is happening, because there is something definitely wrong in this campus. Thank you.
There has been a demand for SIT investigation. You agree with it?
Yes, definitely. Now today CM has today given a statement that a committee is being formed head by the collector. So he has to now let the collector come in and do some thorough investigation. They have to ask the students, they have to see what is wrong, whether it is because of stress. There is something definitely wrong here. So a committee only has to come with a proper report, and then the CM has to take action, because this is happening in Goa. It's well within his rights.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.